Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all would be fine and shine. Today class is based on adverb. I have taught you in previous classes noun, pronoun, verb, and today class I'm going to talk about adverb. So adverb is a word that modifies verb, adjective, and other adverbs. Adverbs are made of adjectives by putting ly to the end. Adverbs होते क्या है? ये verb को या adjective को या adverb को modify करते हैं और ये बनते किस तरह है? Adverbs ज़्यादातर adjective से बनते हैं जिस तरह हम इनके end पे ly ऐड करते हैं, लेकिन इसमें कुछ इस तरह के भी एडवर्ब्स हैं जहां पर ly ऐड नहीं होते, जिस तरह के I'll give you some example here that always, or never, so these adverbs do not end with ly. So here I'll be telling that first of all, if you want to write adverb, so it's specially made of adjective plus ly, so it becomes adverb. For example, slow is an adjective, we add it ly, so it became slowly. Fluent, ly, fluently. Beautiful, ly, beautifully. Here I will explain it furtherly that how does it modify a verb. So let's go ahead. So the first one, that how does it modify verb. So she speaks English fluently. So here it is adverb that modifies speak. Oh, they walk slowly in the garden. So slowly modifies walk, that how does he walk. He speaks silently. How does he speak? So here silently we just put at the end of verb, so it modifies verb. He bravely fought the battle. So here bravely is adverb. The next one is how does it modify an adjective. She is very cute. So here cute is an adjective and very is adverb. Here he is very smart. So it is adverb and this one is adjective. They are too long. We saw a badly damaged car on the road. So यहाँ पर badly हमारे साथ क्या हुआ? ये adverb हुआ and damages adjective. Oh, he was extremely handsome. So यहाँ पर here is extremely is an adverb and handsome is an adjective. How does it modify other adverbs? She is walking very slowly. So यहाँ पर here very is also adverb which modifies another adverb, so both are adverb. They are speaking very fluently. He walked fast enough to reach chalk. So this is also adverb and fast is also adverb. She painted wall pretty beautifully. So this one is also adverb and beautifully is also adverb. I hope you would have got an idea about adverb. If you have any kind of question, so you can write that in comment box and kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell button that you get the latest videos from our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.